Hi, my name is Kyle Shelley, and to showcase the largest coral reef system in the world and the islands above it would be a dream job. I greatly enjoy observing the ocean's beauty, whether it's snorkeling among different reef fish or having to avoid the dangerous box jelly and its killer cousin irukandji. I grew up swimming competitively, which made the transition into scuba diving easy. I'm advanced certified, and capturing the sea's life on camera has become one of my favorite pastimes. I consider myself an adventurous and outgoing person. Two of my favorite experiences were the skydive I did in Hawaii and the shark dive I did in the Bahamas. So I'll try anything. Engaging others is routine at my current job, as I converse with sea-level executives daily. Upon returning home from work, my first task is feeding my fish, which I look forward to doing in a much larger aquarium. So Tourism Queensland, let me explore and showcase the islands, waters, and marine life of the Great Barrier Reef, and I'll have tourism booming for years to come. And to check out my writing style, visit www.islandreefborn.com.